Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
An old-fashioned is made with whiskey, bourbon or rye, bitters, and sugar. A Manhattan is traditionally made with rye whiskey and substitutes sweet vermouth for the sugar. A perfect Manhattan adds yet another twist, having the sweet vermouth into equal portions of sweet and dry vermouths.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Knob Creek is a strong bourbon whiskey and, at 100 proof, it is stronger than many whiskeys. This old-fashioned recipe adds very little to it, so the finished drink remains pretty strong at around 33% ABV, 66 proof. Old-fashioned cocktail.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Drink with a splash of soda water, a slice of orange and a green olive. This nutty vermouth pairs well with savory appetizers, charcuterie, cheeses, olives and Majorca almonds. Enjoy neat or on ice with an orange peel. Lo-fi aperitifs makes modern-style vermouths that are bursting with savory, fresh flavor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Classic Manhattan with orange twist, a mixture of bourbon, vermouth, bitters, and orange twist or stemmed cherry, if requested, making this a top choice when it comes to drinks for men. Serve it in an old-fashioned coupe glass like this for refined tastes. This manly drink ranks 4 doses for a reason.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.